creating, editing, and deleting a payment record against a bill. In many business scenarios, bills are often settled through partial payments rather than in full. Recording the payments against bills, whether partial or in full, allows businesses to track outstanding balances, optimize cash flow management, and maintain accurate financial records. To enable users to easily track how much is still owed against a bill, the Finance module allows recording of payments against a bill. Creating a bill payment record. To create a payment record against a bill, follow these steps. 1. Navigate to the Bills table. 2. Locate the bill you wish to add a payment against either by scrolling through the list or using the search bar. 3. Click on the bill title to open it. 4. Click on the Payments tab. 5. Click on New Payment. 6. Enter all relevant details into the flyout. Date and amount of payment are mandatory fields here. 7. Once you have filled out all information, click on Create. Editing a bill payment record. To edit a payment, navigate to the Bills table. Locate the relevant bill and click on the bill title to open it. Click on the Payments tab. Find the payment you wish to edit. Click on its title. Edit any relevant fields on the payment page as needed. Once you have finished editing, click on Save. Deleting a bill payment record. You can only soft delete a payment record. This means the record is retained in the system, but the status is changed to deleted. Follow the steps below to do so. 1. Navigate to the Bills table. 2. Locate the relevant bill either by scrolling through the list or using the search bar. 3. Click on the bill title to open it. 4. Click on the Payments tab. 5. Find the payment you wish to delete. 6. Click on its title. 7. Change the status from authorized to deleted. 8. Once you have finished editing, click on Save. The payment item will disappear from the Bills view. However, you can view all deleted payment items in the main view.